How to reset Goodbudget app. Okay, so you are ready to start fresh with your Goodbudget app. Maybe you have overspent, changed your income, or just want to begin new again. Let's get you a clean slate. First things first, understand that resetting your app permanently delete all your existing data. This includes your envelopes, transactions, goals, everything. So make absolutely sure this is what you want. Seriously, double check. There's no going back after this. If you are sure, here's how we do it. Please open the app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you're inside this app, you will see this type of interface. Now tap on this three dots on top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. That will open up a few options for you. From the options, simply tap on settings right over here. Tap on it. Once you're inside the settings, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is, you wouldn't see a direct option to reset your app. However, you can use these few steps in order to reset your app. The first thing is, you can just tap on quick transactions right over here. Tap on it. So I haven't done any transaction right over here, but if I have performed any transaction before, you will see that over here, and you will also see an option for deleting your transaction right over here. Let's move back, and there's another option which you can see right under this advanced, that is clear default page. Simply tap on it. That will ask you for the confirmation if you want to clear out your default page. However, all of your transaction data will be kept, so like continue. If you are sure about it, simply tap on OK. From the first option, you have deleted the transaction, and from the second option, you have deleted the page. That was an overall idea on how you can reset your Goodbudget app. And that's it. Your Goodbudget is now reset to the initial state. You are ready to start budgeting again. Remember to take your time, plan carefully, and make the most of your budget. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.